Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Today I'm going to show you an experiment I'm working on with my Wilhelm Reich um, experiments, and this is my Wilhelm Reich table. Down here I have two ground rods. One is copper. You can see it. It's going to be the one there. And then this one over here to the right is just a grounded rod, or actually a rebar. So you get two different metal grounds. Coming over here, I have two guitar strings. One's a low and one's a medium. The frequency, probably in the 400 hertz, something in that frequency. I want to tighten that one up just a hair, huh? There we go, a little tighter. Alrighty, so we got a magnet here from a speaker. I got copper wire wrapped around there. Got the voltmeter, got a full wave bridge rectifier. I got three sections of it all tied together. Got a capacitor right there. And let's start off. Okay, so we got a high and a low strings. We're creating a vibration. We are affecting the magnetic field of the speaker magnet. It is causing the electric field to run through the copper wire into the bridge rectifier. That would be the alternating positive side, the alternating negative side. This is the negative of the DC out and the positive of the DC out. Positive DC out goes to the voltmeter, which is 0. Also it's connected to one side of the capacitor. The other side of the capacitor is coming right back out and connected to the negative side of the voltmeter. Now what we're going to do is connect this right to the wire. Okay, now let's go ahead and start moving, and we're going to charge a capacitor. Let's move our magnet a little bit. You can see it climbing. Faster, woo! NASCAR. So right now we're up over 10.6, climbing, charging a capacitor. What we'll do is we'll let the video run for another minute, and then we'll take the capacitor off the circuit, and we'll check it with the voltmeter and see if it's the same voltage as what we're showing right now. So we're still climbing. You can hear that thing vibrating. I'm going to move the magnet over just a little bit. Climbing up over 21.5. Must be vibrating in the magnet, I believe, because you can see the charge still climbing, 25.7. So back into my Wilhelm Reich. The reason I'm even messing with Tesla, yeah, I'm excited about the sparks and stuff, but Wilhelm Reich's always been my favorite out of the rat pack of people from back in the day, from the 1800s. And Wilhelm Reich, early 1900s, was into Oregon energy, which he called it. And I believe what it really comes down to is like the Wims-Hersey type of high static potential, but that's what transfers through the ground. So what I'm working on here is sound and ground, and basically they're both still running side by side. And to know one is to know the other. So that's why I'm back here and still charging up this capacitor. 37.8, climbing 38. Let's cramp down on this. It gets a little tighter. Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm right there. I'm doing a video. I'm right there. Still climbing. Alright, so we're going to stop it there. We're going to disconnect. Okay. And we're going to take the voltmeters down to nothing. I got the capacitor still hooked up to the negative side. And now we're going to check the capacitor and the voltmeter and see what we got. 42.3. So we are still holding what we just put in by vibrating the string. Well, you guys leave your comments. Thank you. Bye.